All right, welcome back this morning on Today's Consumer. It's laundry day. There's just no way around that dreaded household chore, but luckily we're about to make it a little easier for you. We brought in Lauren Ianotti. She's the editor-in-chief of Real Simple. She's here to help us take a load off, as Mr. Roca would say, with a step-by-step guide on the right way to sort, wash, and dry. You're about to blow minds, aren't you, Lauren?
Blow minds, man.
Let's just start with the sorting, because I think a lot of folks wonder, myself included, is sorting actually even necessary?
It's a very controversial question.
Yeah.
Everyone has a strong opinion, and I'm here to tell you, yes, it's necessary. If you care about your clothes, if you want to keep them in the best shape possible, you're going to have to sort darks, lights, and whites. And do the whites all alone, and that'll keep your whites white longer.
Darks, whites, and lights.
That's right. And then I can give you a few more specific tips. I recommend that you do denim by itself, because those colors do run, and because it's very, very heavy fabric. It pummels everything. It's got zippers. It's tough, so you want to keep those together. Do your activewear together. Yeah. It's very lightweight. So if you put it with heavier things, you're going to be over-drying. It's bad for the fabric, bad for the environment. Don't need it. Bedding and sheets together. Okay. Always shake them and do them loosely in there so they don't get tangled up. Okay, here's one you didn't know.
Here's
Stripes.
a pro tip.
Okay, here's a question for you. Stripes. If it's dark and light, which one do you put it in?
I would go dark.
Light.
Okay, I was
Here's
wrong.
why, because you want to keep the. I know. Sorry.
That's right.
You want to keep those lights very white, right? And so you want to put it with the lights. Grays can kind of go with anything because it's a very forgiving. Let's talk about stocking our shelves, because you maintain that these 5 items are essential must-haves. So the 5 are on these 2 tables, and yes, absolutely. This is your laundry detergent. Okay. Obviously, you're going to use laundry detergent. You can use whatever you like. What's your preference? But a couple recommendations. I love these sheets. You put them right in the drum. That's laundry detergent right there. Okay. It's eco-friendly. It's not heavy to ship. All the things. It's
we featured these earlier this week. Do they actually work as well?
We've tested them. They absolutely work. They're brilliant. But if you love a liquid, that's fine too, or a powder. The liquid just only 2 tablespoons. Only 2 tablespoons. More than that, you leave residue in your machine and on your clothes. And what do we have here? Your oxygenated cleanser. I hope you have this. We do. It's amazing. We use this. Great for athletic wear. It takes all the scent out. It makes your fabrics brighter. It makes them cleaner. You're going to need your spray, your stain remover, either a spray or roll-on, whatever you like. Have it handy. We want all these things handy, so you're going to use them. Pre-treat, ready to go. All right. Yeah, we keep a lot of that around. So Al was just in the studio raving about these dryer balls. Everybody loves the dryer balls. Why do we love the dryer balls so much? You throw a few in there. I actually keep them in my dryer, and I throw the clothes in with them, so they're always there. They aerate all the fabrics. They keep things from getting tangled. They keep them from. They let them dry faster. They're amazing, and it's a very eco-friendly thing to do. The reason that you want to use these instead of I know you're going to ask, I have fabric softener. I have dryer sheets. So dryer sheets are not our favorite because they leave residue on your clothes. They can make your towels less fluffy. They take the fluff out of the towels, and they make clothes stiff. So
what do we
we're not
use
into
these
that.
For?
Mesh, those, I love having these around in all different sizes. 2 reasons. They're for your delicates. They tell you, they keep your delicates safe from other fabrics in the machine. So they also tell you, that's something when I take out, I'm not going to throw in the dryer, I'm going to hang. All right, so last question here. We've got about 30 seconds left. Sometimes you throw stuff in the wash or the dryer and you just pick a random cycle. You say that's a terrible idea. Choose your cycle well, and there are cycles that we underuse. Use your delicates. You've got to use the delicates for delicate things, otherwise it's going to get pummeled. Use your rinse and spin. That's going to, if anything's over wet, just rinse and spin it again. It doesn't, just spin. It doesn't rinse it, doesn't use water, and that's what you want to do. You want to get that fabric not soaking wet when you put it into the dryer. And these are for washing your washer. Did you know you needed to wash your washer? I honestly, not until you just said that, no. Once a month you got to wash your washer, throw those things in, keep it clean, keep that door open so the gasket doesn't get gunky. And really quickly, what are these things? These are essential oils. So here are your dryer balls again. Yeah. Instead of your fabrics, I know you like having nice smelling laundry. I do. Instead of that fabric softener, put some essential oil in your dryer balls, throw them in there, and it'll make your, it's an eco-friendly way to make your clothes smell great. You got to put some oil on the dryer balls. That's right. Thank you, Lauren. Great tips.
Hey, thanks for watching. Don't miss the Today Show every weekday at 11 a.m. Eastern, 8 Pacific on our streaming channel, Today All Day. To watch, head to today.com/allday or click the link right here.